Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world.
So rokuvangana nga mulandu wa bene bono kabiri oli batanganyiwe uyoba munna na mfumakazi. Kapugu ya Mateo 19 na nobo barazwa uri olumba umutondo diwumba kumnumsazi.
From the moment you reach, I knew my heart had found hope. Today I say before you, promise to not replace my sins.
I promise to love you, even when case of doubt. No plus the heart. Reputamore, what does lose to see? Kutulayan, Muslim Tulai.
Wewa zikeguru zavakara avadzodzirekano. Niyazbiva uru n'abafumakazi banenda bandanga. Avatwibudzi wachadzura mtimhu. Aupata ukonderera ita zvitiso. Vezvi hatuudzidzi.
My beloved, my king, my priest, we go.
No, Divya. Today I reflect on how far and conscious you send the message expecting with your ability to work. And Kevin, the day that gave us yesterday.
Throughout our relationship, you show the great love, care, and support. It's like what it breaks. After careful consideration, consultation with wise counselors, once measured, I've made a decision to choose you.
To settle on you as my husband. You are the one for me, my soulmate. Today, for the duty of what I'm bound to respect you and to honor you for the rest of my life.
To submit to your authority as the leader of our family, to stand by you and to support you throughout, to be your helper as God is ordained a while to be, so to an aspect. I vow to put us best in our family, to treat you over and over for the rest of our lives, and to intentionally live up in many nations. To be yours and for you to be mine forever. I vow to be your best friend, a land partner, a business partner, your biggest cheerleader, also data, encourager. And I know machine that I'm not convinced. I will make a lot of mistakes throughout the machine, but I'll keep on trying. And I promise on the side notes to continue just teach and more
from Kita, from Kipti to Pai. So that's this all Peter, okay, time to so how watch again.
Samuranda washividzo na muranda konzil. Likotama uitambulechezo yauve. Tuba namosilino uyavoya. Kelvin namkobe dimuna namfumakasi. Kevin, I allow you to kiss your bride.